Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the performance card on the RHYTHM HIVE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the My Profile button at the lower left corner of the screen and go to the Change Card section. And here you can change performance card pack, and just select one and tap to the Change Performance Card option, and you done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.